Storm Team.
It was an active weekend, but we are in another active, about 24-hour pattern. There is a lot to talk about weather-wise. So let me walk you through what we're expecting over the next day. So currently here in Fairfield Glade, notice thick layer of clouds, the occasional mist and drizzle, but very overcast across the region. Temperatures are starting to warm up, but for now we are just dealing with the mist and drizzle, but more rain is on the way. Notice we're down to about a mile visibility in Jamestown to Wartburg and La Follette. Mainly the lowest visibility is on the plateau and into parts of Kentucky. But more rain is expected to lift in, so it's not just going to be the mist and drizzle throughout the afternoon. There are heavy downpours right now across Georgia. Most of the rain is going to miss the region, but this area of low pressure is going to move in, so it is going to throw some more showers and even a few thunderstorms our way as we go in towards this evening tonight. Temperatures right now, we're already up to 61 in Tellico Plains. It's 55 here in Knoxville and much cooler on the plateau where they're still holding out in the upper 40s. We do need warmer air to move in, and a few breaks of sun would be helpful to see severe weather. So the clouds are a good thing. If we see the sun, not so good. For now, we have a thick layer of clouds across the region, so that is some good news. We are keeping a close eye on the risk for some localized flooding. Everyone under a level 1 out of 4 risk. We have received several inches of rain over the past couple of days, so it will be easy to see some flooded roadways, especially for those flood-prone, low-lying areas. Be mindful of those on your drive home tonight. Rain is going to lift in throughout the afternoon, so it is going to be a wet drive home. This is 4 o'clock now. Embedded downpours, some gusty winds, rumbles of thunder. As we go in towards the later part of this evening, notice this is 6 o'clock now. See the winds start to pick up and a line of showers and storms moves through. This is our window to maybe see some strong to gusty to damaging winds. This is our severe threat over that for a couple hour period. But then as we go in towards the evening, we're going to keep the gusty winds. Storms will settle down, but then we may see a brief break overnight. But notice cooler air moves in, so we could see some very light snow across higher elevations, the plateau into parts of Kentucky, as well as in the Smokies. I think here in the valley, we won't see any snow, maybe just a stray flake in the air. Overall, just an occasional rain shower for the most part. Our severe threat level along and south of Interstate 40, a level 1 out of 5. It is very conditional, but if the ingredients do come together this evening, we could see some gusty to damaging winds. A quick spin-up tornado can't be ruled out, but the risk of that is very low. Overall, our risk for severe weather is low. Outside of any thunderstorms, you'll notice it is going to be a bit breezy. A wind advisory in place from Blunt to Greene County in the Smokies. Wind gusts approaching 45 miles per hour. And then for the snow potential, about half an inch to an inch, the plateau in parts of Kentucky, 1 to 2 inches there in the Smokies. And this was just issued by the National Weather Service in Nashville. A winter weather advisory will go into effect at 6 o'clock this evening Central Time through 6 a.m. tomorrow morning for Cumberland and Fentress counties. The risk of seeing snow is mainly going to be on any grassier surfaces. I don't think much will stick to the roads just because our pavement temperatures are so warm. Remember, we just had a week in the 60s. So just keep in mind, you may just see a few flakes in the air. Might have to dust off the car first thing in the morning. As we head towards Wednesday, we do settle down though, and a lot of sunshine returns to the region.